Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change model in QwenLM AI. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, search for QwenLM AI. In the search results, find the link with chat.QwenLM.ai and navigate to this website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change the model in QwenLM AI, in the top left corner you can see the model's name, and right beside that you can see the drop-down list icon. If you click on it, it'll prompt you with the list of models that you can choose from. Right now, the latest model is selected. There are many models to choose from. Here you can see expand more models option. If you click on it, it'll give you the list of more models. So there are many different models to choose from, which has been developed by the QwenLM AI over the time. And right below the name of the models, you can see the special feature of that particular model and what that model is capable of doing. For example, this Qwen 2.5 model, it is mentioned that it is strong at coding tasks. So if you are trying to use QwenLM AI for the coding related projects, you can select this model. You can even integrate multiple models at the same time. Here you can see this add model option. If you click on it, you can select different models over here. So I can integrate multiple models at the same time, like this. So that's how you can easily change models in QwenLM AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.